Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver Hacking Series. I hope everyone doing well and also happy to see everyone with another interesting ethical hacking video. My apologies for not posting the videos because I have facing a technical challenges over there. So I'm trying to fix over there. Uh, my sincere apologies. In this video, I'm going to show the tool to hunt for the rootkit in the Linux server because lot of companies users are using Linux server for their business purpose because it is an open source and low cost option for delivering the content, apps and services to the client. Over the past few years, security threats to the Linux devices, Linux services are on the rise. Cybercriminals are increasingly targeting the Linux server because of the Linux infrastructure is misconfigured or poorly managed. By considering all this fact, I thought to make a video for the cybersecurity professional how you can hunt for the rootkit in the Linux server. If you are watching this video without subscribing, please subscribe the channel. It is really motivate me to do more interesting content and be the part of the channel growth. Without delay, let's get into the video. We are going to see two tools to hunt for the rootkit. Before we start hunting, let's try to understand what is rootkit. Rootkit is a type of malware program that enables cyber criminals to gain knowledge to and infiltrate the data from the machine without being detected. It covers software toolboxes designed to infect computer, give the attacker gives the attacker remote control and refine hidden for longer period of time. As a result, rootkits are the one of the most difficult malware stands to discover and remove and are frequently used to evade traps on the user and launch attack on the machine. Rootkit malware can contain multiple malicious tools, which typically include bots to launch DOS attack, softwares that can disable the security softwares, steal banking and credit cards details, and even stealing the passwords. Sometimes it can be a keylogger as well. A rootkit usually provider an attacker with a backdoor into machine, which gives them access to the infected computer and enable them to change or remove the software that component which when they chosen. The types of rootkits. So there are various types of rootkits like a firmware rootkit, bootloader rootkit, memory rootkit, application rootkit, kernel mode rootkits. So the tools what we are going to see is two tools. One is RK Hunter and CH Rootkit 1. So these both are part of the Kali Linux, but since if you are using a Debian, you can use, if for example, if you are using a Ubuntu server, you can go and install sudo apt install RK Hunter and you can use the same thing sudo apt install chk rootkit. It's you just need to go and install these packages on their Ubuntu server. If you are using Red Hat based one, so you can use m command, you can use m-y install elp releases, then followed by you can install RK Hunter. Same thing you can install um, ch also you can download from this basics and you can install it over there. I'll be giving all the commands in the description. You don't need to worry. I'll be giving the commands and the links in the description so you can go and utilize it. So let's go and quickly see how we can use this tool. Okay, so once you are done with the installation, so let me go and open a terminal. So in my case I have already installed it. So the command is sudo apt install RK Hunter yes, and it will be prompt for the password. So I have already installed this package, so that is why you are able to see this one. So now what we will do is let's go and run this one. So let's see what are the options are there. So you can see that uh, this is the options are there. You can check, unlock, update, even you can run this version checks and you can run it on it. So now what I'll do is let me go and run the one. So let me go and run a sudo command. So in this my case, I need to see which options are there. So what I'm going to do is, anyway, I'm just going to check. So what I'll do is, so this will check the complete local system, or even it will check the configurations. So all the things will be to add it. So what I'll do is, I'm just going to select -c. So sudo -c. So let's execute this one. So it started checking the system. So now you can see the scan is completed. You can visit this file and you can see what is there. So you can see this one, it says searched for the network, whether any backdoor port is open or any interface is there, and it's checking all the things over there. And you can see it's checked as multiple additional rootkit checklist has it. You can see it is checked all the rootkit database completely, and it says if this. So you can once you run this one, you will get an idea about it. So whether any so warnings is fine. So you want to know about more thing, you can go this log and read about it, what is says warning. If something is, if any malicious files or something, it is like found something, then you can take immediately action by cleaning of it. So even you can set a cron job for regularly execute this code, and you can understand what is there even instead of, rather than you doing manually, you can automate these things as well. Okay, so even I have already installed this thing, that is why it's saying. So let me go and run this one, chk rootkit -help. We will see for the what are the options are there. So you can see -v, it gives the version. You can see all these things. So even you can use the root directory to do it, or any particular path, or check for the use state, you can do it on it. So let me go and let me run this one. Even you can run it in a very quiet mode. You no need to displace everything. You can do it on that way as well, or you can run it in expert mode. You if you are well in advanced this one. So now as a basic, I'll just start running chk rootkit, enter. So it's scanning all the things. So you can see the scanning is completed. It gives me like what is there, what are not there. It's basically it gives the informations, all the things over there. So nothing is found. So this is how you can use this tool for hunting the rootkits on your Linux machines. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you think video was useful, please consider subscribing the channel and help with the channel growth. Please reach out to me via Discord, Telegram for any queries, suggestions and feedback. For YouTube algorithm, please give like and comment. For the channel updates, please follow me on LinkedIn, Telegram and Discord. Please find the link in the description. You will find it, the joining links. Use the link, you can join to the channels. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye for now. See you soon with another interesting hacking, ethical hacking video. Bye. Take care. Signing off.